Hi, I'm Matt from MaxTow Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what's included in the packaging in our diesel gauge packages. So today I'm going to walk you through what's included in our MaxTow Match dual gauge package for 4th Gen Ram trucks. In this particular package, you're going to get a 60 PSI Boost Gauge and a 30 PSI Fuel Pressure Gauge, both featuring a factory match display with a dimming button on the front. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm 60 PSI Boost Gauge with an analog and digital display with a dimming button on the front, and a 52mm 30 PSI Fuel Pressure Gauge with an analog and digital display with a dimming button on the front. Also included in the packaging is two 9-foot pressure sensor harnesses, a 2-gauge power harness, 2 pressure sensors, Cummins Boost bolt adapter, snubber valve, mounting brackets with hardware, gauge visors for sun glare, a complete replacement factory color match dual gauge pod with a pillar mounting bolt, and installation instructions. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit us at maxtow.com.